Welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time or the second time, especially if you're here for the second time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Follow the build. Today I just wanted to unbox some of the things that you get in the Paxton Novi 2200 kit. Show you exactly what you would be getting if you were to purchase this kit, and show you some of the specifics and everything like that. So let's get started with this big box right here. Instructions, very important. You need those. Your intercooler, as you can see. Just take this out. Vortex. Front mount. Gotta keep everything cool because the unit will get hot. So very important to have. The thing that you need, well, one of the most important things that you even need to get this even going, the head unit. So this is the Paxton Novi 2200. I believe this is the SL. I believe good for a lot of power. It might be SI. I can't remember exactly which one I got. Centrifugal supercharger. So basically it's a belt-driven turbo. Comes with that, I don't know if you can read it there, that Vortex 3.8 pulley. And of course you avoid the warranty when you take all this off. So this is a self-contained system, so you get supercharger oil with it, which, let me show you that, which also came in the box here. Supercharger oil. You do your regular oil changes on the supercharger like you would on your car. Synthetic oil. And this is what we're going to be running to make all that big power that you like, that everybody likes. So yeah, your belts, supercharger belts, and the mounting bracket for the supercharger. Oh, so this is this right here. So you got the pulleys in here. Got to make sure all this is right. That way you don't mess up the harmonics and end up messing up your oil pump gears from vibration. So you got to make sure everything's turned down right when you install this to make sure everything's right. So you see the pulleys here, supercharger belts obviously going to go around the pulleys in here, and with clamps in here too. Got to be careful when you're cutting these. They do give the measurements in the instructions. This is so you can reroute your coolant. And here's your coolant tank, new coolant tank. We'll probably get a better looking one, but this is gonna relocate the coolant towards the strut tower, basically, back towards the strut tower. And whereas right now it's towards the front, where your grill is at, around that area. So it is gonna be your new intake, which I don't think I've opened this yet, but see that there. This is going to be a new intake tube. A lot of guys don't run it with the intake, which I don't know if I will or won't, but I'll probably start off running with intake. When you take the intake off, you run about a pound or two more boost, from what I'm to understand. You get an extra maybe 40 horsepower off of that. So a lot of people like to not really run it, but so I gotta find my stock air box because I got an intake on there now. Stock air box is gonna go on the side of this, and then this is gonna go directly onto the Paxton head unit. Box here is basically your bypass valve, blow up valve, whatever you want to call it. Snake blow up valve, whatever you want to call it. So this is definitely going to be pretty good. Hopefully it sounds good. When I push on valve head, see your packs, you get the little Paxton stickers right there. Then there's warranty info if you want to get an extended warranty, I believe, on here. It'll be your air filter for your box, just in case you got a raggedy old air filter. So it'll be a lot of your piping, your charge piping, clamps, couplers, all that good stuff in here. Charge pipe is actually under this. As you can see, there's an extra spot. There you go, right there. Charge pipe. Everything to route everything in. Bolts, clamps, everything you need to get the installation done. Now, I went with the tuner kit because if you go with the full kit, it's probably $1,500 more. Full kit's like in the 6s. I didn't pay anywhere near that, but we'll get into pricing and all that later on. But the full kit comes with injectors, and I think they're pretty good injectors. They may be 1,000 cc's, I'm not 100% sure. And they come with a calibration so you can run this. So I decided to opt for the tuner kit, which doesn't come with those fuel upgrades or the calibration, because I'm just going to get it tuned by Lund, and I'm going to get my own injectors, and basically it saved me a lot more money. So here are some of the instructions that come with it. Pretty basic bolt-on situation, so we're most likely going to be installing it ourselves here. There's less instructions depending on the setup, so there you have it. That is the unboxing, the official unboxing, so you got socks on, of my Paxton Novi 2200. So we're going to be a little delayed probably on installation. Good news is built trans just came in, and we still have that that McLeod clutch that has to go in there too, so that's going to be sooner, pretty soon. We'll have a video on that. Yeah, definitely follow the journey of the build. With all this chaos going on, make sure you guys are staying safe out there. Make sure that you're sanitizing, keeping that Lysol, keeping everything you need to do. Stay in the house. Just stay in the house. The car needs to be there. Stay in the house. 1,000 horsepower with this kit. So we'll see how far we can go on the Gen 1 without having to blow it. We get race it, have some fun with it. But if you found it helpful, like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the channel for more. Make sure you put the notifications on. And most importantly, have a nice day.